Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Demeo X Dungeons and Dragons Battlemarked game not launching, not loading, black screen, crashing at startup, lagging or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller. Then select power button and select restart PS5. After that, launch the game and check. Next solution is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5, hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, then click on network, then click on settings, then set up network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency you can switch to 5 GHz only or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next method is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. First highlight the game and then press options button. Now choose check for update option. If any update is available, click on update and follow the instructions. Next solution is to restore licenses. First open settings, then click on users and accounts, move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that select the game and then click on restore option. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next solution is to delete games save file PS5. First open settings on PS5 menu, now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and then select Demeo X Dungeons and Dragons Battlemarked game and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next solution is to check storage space on console. For that go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to change language on console. For that open PS5 settings, then go to system. Here select language option in the left sidebar. Now select current language. After that change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, next method is to sign out and sign in to PS5. For that go to settings, then tap on users and accounts, then go down and click on other option. After that click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. If not, next method is to reinstall Demeo X Dungeons and Dragons Battlemarked game. For that first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on a controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally restart your PS5 and install the game again to check for the error. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across and the support team will help you to resolve the problem and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.